Okay lang yan mga ladies. Pray hard and focus on the Lord. Not sa mga pinagngangarap nating mga Korean novela, mga kagapuhang mga kalalakihan.
Hi everyone! Kumusta naman kayo dyan? And welcome to our first episode for our Men and Ladies Corner as we have promised. And today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic. Sobrang related sa amin.
For sure, in one way or another, makakalilate ang bawat isa.
And our topic is all about setbacks and hesitations. And we're going to answer first some of the questions that we prepare, or we will relate it to our personal story. I first met Lord when I was 28 years old. I am already praying for a relationship at that time. And initially when I saw her, there's no attraction. Ang pogi.
Ang pogi.
Because we're just acquaintance at that time. So I met her into a prayer meeting, to a prayer gathering. That's how I met her.
I met him when I was 28 years old then. And na-meet ko nga siya sa isang prayer meeting. And initially, my impression kay Melvin is wala lang.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hindi naman siya attractive sa paningin ko. Kasi ano ba, ang pinag-pray ko ng mga panahon yon ay isang Chinese guy na maputi. Yung mga ganon, na. Yung first time ko na-meet si Melvin, the usual friend lang na parang kasama ng mga ibang guy friends ko. Pero along the way, nakilala ko naman siya and meron din siyang heart connections niya.
It was year 2013 when I actually asked God for a direction in terms of having a relationship. And that's when I started to really pray hard. I attended her church. That's when I saw her entering that glass door, parang isang anghel. And her appearance blew me away. And like parang, uy, ang ganda naman nito. Baka naman, Lord.
Well, seriously, wala akong nararamdamang any hint ng mga panahon yun. Single pa ako. I won't consider a guy pwedeng maging boyfriend ko or husband ko. Not unless he has the courage to really lay down his intentions to me right in front of my face. So, kailangan niyang may boldness, kailangan niyang may direction siyang sasabihin na, "Uy Lord, gusto kitang ligawan." Kahit na napaka-imposible yun sa panahon ngayon, pero ang goal mo is talagang maging pure ka sa lahat ng aspeto, kaya yun magagawa yun.
I knew for a fact that Lordy grew in a military family and she's well sheltered, and unconsciously nakataas ng insecurities ko sa family ko na iniisip ko parang si Lordy langit siya, ako lupa lang. And it will be hard for me to do the first move. And ayun, ang dami kong naiisip, parang paano kong makita yung background ng family ko, yung parents ko hindi man lang nakapagtapos ng school, or even yung mga kapatid ko, wala nakapagtapos sa kanila. At that moment, I dwell into that setback. And I know for a fact na hindi siya healthy for me.
Yung hesitations ko during that time, yung naniligaw na siya, iniisip ko noon, tatanggap ba niya yung mga artihan ko, ganon. Or yung sabi nga ni Melvin, I grew up really well sheltered. Tsaka parang may fear ako nung mga panahon na yon, kaya ba akong itaguyod nitong lalaking to? Kaya niya ba akong i-shelter katulad ng pag-shelter ng parents ko na sobrang protected? My parents make sure na we had food on our table and wala kaming kahirap-hirap sa mga bagay-bagay. Yun yung parang pinaka hesitations ko sa kanya na lagi kong tinatanong kay Lord. Lahat ng mga negativity ko sa katawan, pag nakilala niya ako ng kalaunan, ang lalaking bato ay talagang karapat-dapat.
It's okay to have setbacks. It's okay to have hesitations as we have experienced. That's normal. That's perfectly fine.
That's natural.
So the biggest task as men, how are we going to overcome that setback? How did I overcome that? I knew for a fact that I had a decent job. The Lord loves me and I am a son of God. One tough experience that I had was when I faced Lordy's parents. Nung time na nagpaalam na ako, naliligawan ko siya. And it was one of the excruciating experience na to the point that I consulted a mentor in order for me to ask kung ano ba ang sasabihin ko dun sa tatay niya. But you know, God is so good because those words that I asked from a mentor, yung mga eksaktong pinagpray kong tanongin na masasagot ko sa tatay niya. So I went to their house prepared.
Yes.
Of course, with prayer, with guidance.
How did I overcome hesitations? More than anything, kailangan mo talagang mag-pray na mag-pray. Kailangan yung mag-focus sa Bible reading nyo, sa pakikinig sa godly counsel. But, at the end of the day, kayo pa din na magde-decide. Sa inyo pa din. Kasi the Lord will grant wisdom sa inyo.
In short, si Lordy nakuha talaga sa dasal. One realization that I had, yung verse sa 2 Timothy 1:7, it says there,
"For God has not given us a spirit of fear or timidity, but of power and of love and of a sound mind."
Those who are watching us,
Yes.
For you guys, for you men, man up.
Yes.
Don't be afraid. If you think that you are not deserving to that girl or lady, think first that God will fight for you.
Yes, He will
until the very end.
Yes, He will complete the battle for you. Kahit na feeling nyo, hindi nyo kayang makuha yung minimiti nyong babae. Basta alam nyong pinag-pray nyo, alam nyo yung sa puso nyo na kaya nyo siyang itaguyon, go lang. And
Yes.
for women out there, I know na it's hard to decide if ito bang lalaking to, he is the one, or paano ko malalaman kung he is the one. Well, to tell you frankly, hindi nyo malalaman agad-agad kung he is the one. Not unless kung siya na talaga yung pinakasalan nyo sa harap ng dambana. You are on a waiting season, you are a single lady, I just want to encourage you na don't take for granted your season. Kasi may fruit yan na sobrang i-reward kayo ni Lord sa pag-wait nyo dun sa right guy or sa right man na magmaman up sa inyo. Your worth is far more than rubies, sabi nga diba sa Bible. So, wag nyo siyang kakalimutan.
That's our first episode of our Men and Ladies Corner.
And if you have suggestions or any topic that you want us to share about relationships or about marriage or about us, do let us know. And
Feel free to comment.
Or send us a PM. We will be happy to discuss
or
and share it with you. I hope this video will inspire you to be brave. To man up, and for the ladies there, to continuously pray hard and focus on the Lord. Not sa mga pinagngangarap nating mga Korean novela, mga kagwapuhang mga kalalakihan. Okay lang yan mga ladies, pero syempre, ang the one na prepare sa inyo ni God is yun talaga yung pinaka-the best at pinaka-gwapo na para sa inyo.
Okay, see you on our next episode.
See you.
For you guys there, the Lord will fight for you. Bye!
Bye!